Hey, my name is Jude. I'm here to present the topic Core Emerging Trends in Education Technology. Course overview. The contents of the course overview are learning objectives and the audience, augmented visual reality, holographic technology, adaptive and competency learning, marker spaces, and data analytics. Core emerging trends in education technology. Let us first look at the learning objectives. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to 1. Identify emerging trends in education technology, 2. Understand how to use these educational resources to create teaching and learning platforms that will be able to deliver the individual learner needs. The audience targeted here are all resource persons in e-learning designs and development. They are the project managers, subject matter experts, instructional designers and developers, interactivity programmers, graphic designers, etc. Here are some of the core trends in education technology. Augmented visual reality. Can you believe that? Students can visit places virtually that they do not have physical access to. Historical times, monuments, under the sea, other countries, and even outer space. Visual reality can take history and science lessons to the next level. Let us explore the example showcased by Z-Space. The video clip is an amazing wonder. Have a fun watching it.
Z-Space is the next generation of human-computer interaction. As a desktop virtual reality platform, Z-Space adds a new dimension to the user's experience. With our head-tracked eyewear and hand-tracked stylus, you can see and interact with virtual objects on Z-Space as if they were real objects in front of you.
You can get a lot more done in your 42-minute period. Setting up some of these labs would be impossible in those kind of time frames. But you can walk into Z-Space and have the thing saved for the students all ready to go.
When you're looking at a model in a regular anatomy course, you can't see the inside of a structure. But with Z-Space, you have the ability to actually look into a structure.
You can kind of pick and choose what you want to focus on.
If you want to just look at muscles, you can. If you want to look at muscles and nerves, you can.
A fabulous teaching tool and a way to get involved learning in a way that cannot ever be done in another way.
Already showing success in the hands of students, educators, researchers, designers and professionals around the world, the possibilities are infinite. Imagine what you can do with Z-Space.
Pictures and videos, isn't it? Beautiful. Let's go on to the next stage. Holographic technology. Created through light beams, holograms are lifelike and three-dimensional reflections of an image, person, place, etc. Holographic technology has the potentialities to create an engaging learning experience for learners and provide them with the visuals they need to absorb material. It can be used for video conferencing, gamification, and simulating assignments and projects. Example is the Microsoft HoloLens. Here is the picture of the HoloLens. Let's go on. Marker spaces. Marker spaces. A marker space is simply a peer-based collaborative space where learners can come together to work, innovate, learn, and educate. A space for people to create or make. Incorporating marker spaces into our learning environment means that multimedia and technologies such as video, 3D printing, photography, and art pieces are accessible and less regulated. Marker spaces spark innovation, creativity, and engagement. Example is the classroom marker space, and here is a diagram to showcase that. Adaptive and competency learning. Adaptive learning is a computer-technology-based method of learning that uses learning technologies that modify the presentation of learning materials to adapt to individual learner needs. Often influenced by learning data gathered from learning analytics, learning as an artificial intelligence tutor. That's what it is also called. Let's go on. Example is the MobiMax and Bright Space. Here is the adaptive learning sequence diagram. Amazing one. Data analytics. Data analytics, learning analytics is possibly the most transformative trend in the education world. Learning analytics is data pulled from reports and dashboards that helps develop learner profiling. Learning analytic tools help identify which students are struggling and the specific areas they are struggling in. Analytic data empowers educators with information that allows them to shape better learning pedagogies, empower active learning, identify the factors that affect student success, and build courses that meet students' individual needs. Examples of data analytics are prescriptive, predictive, diagnostic, and descriptive data analytics. Diagram of data analytics. Thank you and remain blessed.